Let's start looking at this social engineering attack in detail. Now, keeping in mind that this is a cold call, someone at home, possibly having their dinner, gets called by the scammers and they need to make an impact fast. They need to hook the victim. Have a listen to how it starts out.
Okay, and yeah, definitely I've given a call to you because it's all about the Windows operating system of your computer. Right?
Okay.
And you're the main user of the computer. That's the reason I waited for you. And the thing is that, sir, let me tell you, we got some information from the research and development team that your computer has accidentally uploaded some unwanted malicious files.
Now, because sometimes the line is a little bit crackly and the accent can be a little bit difficult to understand, I annotated parts of this video after recording the scam. Hopefully that will make it a little easier to follow what's going on in this attack. Let's get into it, and I want to start at the point where the social engineer is trying to convince me that my PC is infected with viruses.
The Windows operating system and the software part of your computer is getting infected, which you are not aware of.
Now, there's two really interesting things that happen very early on here. So the first is the social engineer says they've got some information from the Windows development team. He's trying to establish some authority. This is Microsoft. They have internal information about my machine. And then, of course, he jumps straight into trying to create fear. Your computer has accidentally uploaded some unwanted malicious files. Put yourself in the shoes of your average consumer, sitting at home getting a call like this. They would be worried. The social engineer now has their attention. He goes on to explain that the Windows operating system and the software part of your computer is getting infected. So he's building on the fear. How can he make the victim as concerned as possible that action must be taken?
So as you are a privileged user of Windows operating system, that's the reason we are giving you this call, so that we can make you aware about the problems, right?
Crikey, thanks for that, yeah. At this point, the social engineer has attempted to convince the victim that they are indeed Microsoft and that the victim does indeed have some serious problems with their PC. But it's just verbal. What they really want to do is create some more authenticity in terms of how serious the problem is. Let's move on and have a look at how they do that.